After a search that took place in the early hours of the morning, detectives carted away documents retrieved from the Nairobi home of Migori Governor Okoth Obado. As they searched his Nairobi home, another team of detectives was also doing the same at his home in Migori, the county government offices, and his office. Although the detectives remained mum on their mission, sources intimated to NTV that the simultaneous raids were part of the evidence gathering that the anti-graft body is undertaking as it continues to probe the governor. EACC's investigation into the governor focuses on alleged misuse of funds, embezzlement and procurement irregularities. Migori Governor Okoth Obado is also under investigation for suspected foreign accounts in Australia and China, which allegedly belong to either him or close relatives. The raids come as the EACC continues to investigate the alleged case of embezzlement of over 2 billion shillings by the governor from his home county of Migori. Obado is also under investigation over suspicions of using at least 23 companies he had interest in to do questionable business with the county government, leading to the loss of billions of shillings from the county. The EACC believes that he used part of the proceeds of these deals to put up a palatial house in the county. Obado has been on EACC's watch list since the anti-graft body claimed in an affidavit filed in court that the governor had used his proxies and cronies, relatives included, to divert some 2 billion shillings from the county government's coffers. The raids on his homes today come with the governor at the center of yet another trial for the murders of university student Sharon Otieno and her unborn baby. The murder charge saw the governor spend over 1 month in police custody. He was only granted bail with harsh conditions last month. Brenda Wanga, NTV.